Hey guys, Danielle here. We are on the blue carpet for the Hotel Transylvania 3 world premiere with some very special friends of Studio Movie Girl. Do you want to, or girls, you want to introduce yourself and tell everybody what we're doing here?
I'm Corinne Howard.
I'm Brinley Howard.
And we're getting ready to talk to the cast, so stay tuned.
Oh no, Blobby's gonna puke.
What is it like doing the voice of Maida?
It is one of my favorite things I get to do. I've been doing it for so long. I've been doing it for about 7 years. I mean, I don't think I've done anything as cool as this to my family.
Have you ever been to Studio Movie Girl?
I have, yeah, tons of times. Yeah, for sure. Texas, major. So, of course, I love it. I love it.
Out of all the movies that have been created from the Hotel Transylvania, which one is your favorite?
I think for sure this third one, because it's got comedy, it's got drama, it's got cool action, it's got all these monster stops. It's like a big comedic spectacle, so it's my favorite from the three.
What do you hope people will get out of this movie?
I hope people can laugh a lot, and I hope that they can relate to the movie, because really it's all about family. It's all about accepting one another, being yourself, and having fun and enjoying life.
Can you tell us more about your character?
Sure, my character is Wanda the werewolf. She has 70 baby werewolf pups. She's married to Wayne, her husband, and my werewolf mom is really tired. She really wants a break, so she's really happy there's a kids club on the cruise ship.
All right, guys, that was the cast as they were walking down the carpet. We chatted with Selena Gomez and a few others. Be sure to go to studiomoviegirl.com and grab your tickets, and then head over to our Facebook page or our YouTube channel to see the full interviews with these guys. Bye, guys.